So there's a subtle thing that happens with const functions that return a value. So here's our const function, and let's define one that is not const. And so give this both the body, and let's see what this looks like in the editor. All right, so we're in the editor. We'll do the nonconst function first. So my notconst function, this looks normal. It's a blueprint callable, it has a return node. Let's see what the const function looks like. The const function actually has no execution pins. It is pure, and as we talked about before, pure functions execute every time they're needed, whereas these non-pure functions only execute once and the value is effectively copied everywhere it's needed. So if this is a really expensive function, it can be problematic to make it pure, and so defining a function as const implicitly makes it pure. So there's a way around this. What you can do is basically disable pure for const functions. So if I'm to copy and paste my const function, I'm gonna call it no pure, and the magic is by saying blueprint pure equals false. And so if we compile that, we'll say my const function no pure, and now you can see we have a const function. So in code it cannot mutate state, but it is not a pure function. It has execution pins that connect. We will continue looking more ufunctions and further videos.